And here's the backyard, the deck. And as you can see, well, this door opens inward, so we can actually open the door. This chair right here, I put this here a little while ago. It's already up to the legs and the seat of the chair, and now it's becoming covered. And as you can see, snow's still falling. Deck is completely filled with snow. I don't mean just covered, I mean filled. Those rails are, well, as you can see, blowing and drifting snow, and there are some plants under here somewhere. There are some plants under here somewhere. Yeah. So I don't think we'll be having any activities in the outdoors here on the deck anytime soon. Back there behind the railing you can see the shed, the little barn. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. It's difficult, but it's covered too. The roof is really covered. If I could walk out there, I can get a better shot of it, but I'm in my slippers, so that won't be happening. Just another view of our blizzard of 2009. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. It is absolutely beautiful. Good thing it's Saturday, no one has to go anywhere. Addison's gymnastics lessons, of course, were canceled, so no reason to do anything. And, oh yes, the snow's blowing inside the house. Yeah, so time to close the door and maybe tackle that tomorrow. But we got to get out of the front first before we ever worry about the back. Blizzard 2009. Beautiful.